Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Twin Magic. In this video we're gonna show you and teach you a cool card magic trick. Actually it's a self-working card trick, and self-working card tricks, they usually doesn't require any practices, or yeah, you can do it for the first time as you see like the tutorial. So yeah, let's start the video and here's the performance. So sorry for the noises because our neighbors, they are making we don't know what are they making, but they are making a lot of noises. So because of that, we're so sorry, but we don't cut it. So we tell them that tell them to say stop. They will say stop right here. This would be their card. It's let me it's four of hearts. Well, again, we will put this deck and make it into three piles like this. Let here. So right now we look and we make the top card of each pile face up, and put it right here. Five of clubs, seven of heart, sorry, seven of diamonds, and five of hearts again. Well, okay. Right now, let me fix this. Right now, we look at the top card of each pile. This pile, it was 5. We don't need a suit, we just need a number. We count 5, from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will remove these 5 cards, and we put one card on each pile. 1 and 1. So what we did, first we look at the first card of each pile. The first one was 5, so we said that we don't need the suit, just need a number, just 5. We remove 5 cards. We remove 5 cards, and we put a card on the top of each pile. So again, this is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We don't need. So for the last one, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should remove it and put card. So now we don't need the top cards. So we remove it again, and yeah, right now we can shuffle these piles too, to make everything clear and fair. The cards are a lot, the numbers of them, so yeah, you can shuffle them. Right, this one is just 2 cards, so yeah, 3, yeah, it was 3, so yeah, and for the so yeah, now we will turn the first cards, the first 4, the second 4, and the last 4. How? Well, this is so great, and it was so cool. As we said, you can get lots of great reaction with it. So yeah, let's see the tutorial. Well guys, you saw the performance. We hope that you like and you enjoyed. Here's a tutorial. First of all, we need 4 cards that their number is like each other. 4 fours. It can be kings, 4 kings. So yeah, and after that you should choose a 5. This is so important. Any 5. Well, fine, a 5, yeah, and 3 random cards. It's not important. So here's the order: a 4, a 5, and then 3 random cards, and then after that the remaining 4s. Right now we put all of them on the top of our deck. Right now we do a fake shuffle. Right now we will do a force. Actually, we teached you in our previous video that how you can do this force, and yeah, we will tell you again. We tell the attacker to say stop. When they say stop, we should like this. We will do it for like one more. Again, stop, and like this. So this is they think that this is their card, but we force them. It's for us face, but this is our card. So again, we'll put this pal and this pal. Now we will make three pals. The spectator can do it too. And like this. Now we look at the top card of each pile. The third pile, it should be always 5. It's not random. We chose it that is 5. Right now, as we saw, we did it in frame. We pick 3 cards. We choose and we remove it. Then we put 1 card on each pile. 7. Remove 7 card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the card here. So now 4 is here, 4 is here, and 4 is here. We will put out these 3 cards, and now we tell them, look. Yeah, it was that. And of course, you can do fake shuffles for these 3 pal, but they are fake shuffle and they are not really necessary. And because we did it quickly, so yeah, this was the all of the performance and the tutorial. We hope that you like and you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to post a comment under our videos. And please tell us that do you want us to cut the videos between the tutorial and the performance, or do you want to be recorded completely. Tell us which magic tricks you want to record for you. So yeah, we will. So please subscribe and look at and go and check out our previous videos. So have a nice day and goodbye.